Today we're looking at 15 must-have motorcycle gadgets specifically for beginners in 2026. And I'm not talking about fancy exhaust systems or track day upgrades. These are practical safety-focused tools that every new rider needs before they ever twist the throttle. Let's get into it. Number 15, Tire Pressure Gauge. This digital tire pressure gauge provides accurate readings crucial for safety and handling. Motorcycle tires lose pressure faster than car tires. Low pressure causes poor handling and increases crash risk. The digital display shows pressure precisely to the tenth of a psi. The angled chuck makes reaching valve stems easy. The backlit screen works in darkness. The built-in flashlight illuminates work areas. The compact size fits in jacket pockets. Checking pressure before every ride becomes a habit that prevents accidents. This simple tool is the first line of defense against the most common mechanical failure. Number 14, Tank Bag with Phone Mount. This magnetic tank bag provides storage and navigation access. The clear phone pocket allows using GPS without handlebar mounts. The magnetic attachment is strong enough for highway speeds. The expanded capacity holds wallets, snacks, and tools. The waterproof zipper protects contents from rain. The quick-release system allows removing the bag at stops. The padding protects the tank from scratches. The convenience of having essentials accessible while riding is substantial. Beginners benefit from easy access to phones for emergency calls or navigation without fumbling in pockets. Number 13, Bluetooth Communication System. This helmet communication system allows hands-free phone calls and GPS directions. The speakers mount inside helmets, providing clear audio at highway speeds. The microphone picks up voice commands through wind noise. The intercom function connects with passenger or riding buddies. The music streaming maintains sanity on long rides. The battery lasts full-day rides. The universal helmet compatibility fits most models. The safety improvement from not needing to check phones while riding is significant. The navigation directions spoken directly into your ear prevent missing turns and making dangerous last-second lane changes. Number 12, Frame Sliders. These protective knobs bolt to the frame, preventing expensive damage during drops. Beginners will drop their bikes. It's not if, but when. Frame sliders absorb impact, protecting fairings, engines, and frames. The installation is straightforward with basic tools. The savings from preventing a single drop pays for them many times over. The peace of mind knowing your first parking lot tip over won't cost $2,000 in bodywork is invaluable. These should be installed before the first ride. Number 11, Chain Maintenance Kit. This kit includes chain cleaner, lubricant, and brushes for proper maintenance. Motorcycle chains require cleaning and lubing every few hundred miles. Neglected chains wear sprockets and can break catastrophically. The cleaning brush reaches tight spaces. The stand makes rear wheel rotation easy. The specific chain lube penetrates and protects. The cost is under $40 for complete kit. The investment prevents expensive chain and sprocket replacement. Learning proper chain maintenance early builds good habits that extend bike life and prevent dangerous mechanical failures. Number 10, Action Camera. This helmet or bike-mounted camera records rides, providing evidence after accidents. The video quality captures license plates and traffic situations clearly. The stabilization keeps footage smooth despite vibrations. The waterproof housing handles rain. The loop recording overwrites old footage automatically. The battery life covers several hours. The insurance and legal protection from video evidence is substantial. Multiple riders have avoided fault in accidents because camera footage proved their innocence. The footage also helps analyze and improve riding technique. Number 9, Heated Grips. These handlebar grips provide warmth during cold weather riding. Cold hands lose dexterity, reducing control. The adjustable temperature allows customization. The installation is straightforward with basic wiring knowledge. The power draw is minimal, not affecting bike electrical systems. The riding season extension in cooler climates justifies the investment. Beginners especially benefit from maintaining full hand function and comfort while learning throttle and clutch control in varying temperatures. Number 8, GPS Tracker. This hidden device allows locating stolen motorcycles. Motorcycle theft is common, especially in urban areas. The tracker uses cellular networks, reporting location in real time. The motion alerts notify when bikes move unexpectedly. The geofence alerts trigger when bikes leave designated areas. The battery lasts weeks or charges from bike power. The subscription costs $10 to $20 monthly. The recovery rate for tracked bikes is high. The peace of mind is substantial. Number 7, Portable Air Compressor. This compact tire inflator allows roadside tire pressure adjustments. Flats happen. Finding working air at gas stations is unreliable. This compressor plugs into bike power outlets, inflating tires in minutes. The digital gauge ensures accurate pressure. The LED light illuminates nighttime repairs. The compact size fits under seats or in bags. The convenience and safety of being self-sufficient for tire emergencies is significant. Beginners especially benefit from not being stranded with tire issues. Number 6. Motorcycle cover. This weatherproof cover protects bikes from elements and prying eyes. Sun fades paint and cracks seats. Rain causes rust. Covers prevent both. The breathable material prevents moisture buildup. The soft inner lining protects finishes. The lock grommets allow securing covers. The compact storage allows traveling with covers. The protection extends bike life and maintains resale value. Beginners often lack garage space, making quality covers essential. Number 5. First aid kit. This motorcycle-specific first aid kit addresses common riding injuries. Road rash, cuts, and abrasions are the most common injuries. The kit includes large gauze pads for covering road rash. The antiseptic prevents infection. The bandages handle various wound sizes. The compact case fits under seats. The waterproof container protects contents. The immediate treatment capability before reaching hospitals is crucial. Knowing you can address injuries immediately provides confidence. Number 4. Disc lock with alarm. This security device prevents theft while providing audible alerts. The hardened steel construction resists cutting. The disc lock prevents wheel rotation. The motion-activated alarm screams at 110 decibels when disturbed. The bright color prevents forgetting and riding with it engaged. The reminder cable attaches to throttle, providing visual warning. The theft deterrent is effective. The alarm scares off thieves and alerts owners. Beginners parking in public areas need reliable, affordable security. Number 3. RAM mount system. This modular mounting system securely holds phones and devices. The ball and socket design allows infinite positioning. The X-grip holds phones of all sizes. The vibration dampening protects phone cameras from damage. The weatherproof construction handles rain. The lifetime warranty covers failures. The reliability and adjustability surpass cheap alternatives. Beginners benefit from rock-solid phone mounting for navigation without worrying about devices flying off at speed. Number 2. Riding jacket with armor. This protective jacket provides abrasion and impact protection. Textile or leather construction resists road rash. The serrated armor protects shoulders, elbows, and back. The ventilation prevents overheating. The waterproof liner keeps riders dry. The reflective panels improve visibility. This is non-negotiable safety equipment. The protection in crashes is proven. Beginners should never ride without proper jacket. The difference between walking away from crashes versus severe injury often comes down to wearing proper gear. Number 1. Quality helmet. The premium helmet takes the top spot as the single most important gadget. This is what protects your brain. The DOT and SNEL certifications confirm safety standards. The proper fit is crucial, requiring trying multiple brands. The ventilation keeps heads cool. The face shield provides clear vision with anti-fog coating. The emergency quick-release cheek pads allow paramedics removing helmets safely. This is not where you cheap out. Your brain is irreplaceable. Every other item on this list is secondary to head protection. Crashes happen to beginners more frequently. The helmet is what determines whether you walk away or get carried away. Invest in the best helmet you can afford. Replace it after any impact. Treat it as life insurance, because that's exactly what it is.